Morrison, did you know they have like a hamburger machine?
Do you need it?
No, it's 150 euros. I think we're gonna get one. I'm gonna buy one. I just spent $150 to improve my burger game. It better be worth it. Look what I got! I got it, Morrison. It's here.
You really did.
I really did it. I don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea, but I did it. I spent $150 to improve my hamburger game. And I must say, the package looks a lot smaller than what I've seen on the internet, so I'm getting a bit worried. And as always, when you start making hamburgers, the first thing that you do is prepare everything. You gotta have everything laid out, everything set up, everything ready to go, and then you start making your burgers. So we'll unpack this later and start working on our prep right now. We got our minced all meat up. We got our burger buns toasted up. We got our onions, tomatoes. We got our sauces. We're ready, right? We're ready. Ready as we'll ever be. Time to unpack this thing. And I'm super excited to unbox this thing. It might up my burger game. You know, I've been making burgers for quite a long time, and we made all kinds of burgers. Just between you and me, I saw the picture of this thing. I just had to have it. It's not like, I don't really need it, maybe. I don't dare to admit it, but I might not really need it. I have this thing where I buy things that you don't really need. And like this is one of them. And this is like a box. And they call it the useless box. When you turn it on, it turns itself off again. That's what it does. So I'm hoping this is not gonna be as useless as that. I'm hoping this is going to level up my burger game, allowing me to make the absolute perfect burger patty. Let's get it out of the box. It's a lot smaller than I'm expecting. It's a lot smaller than in the pictures. Ooh, it's shiny! I could do this all day. This is totally worth it! Alright, let's start making burgers with this because I can no longer wait to get my first burger, juicy burger out of this machine. This thing is so awesome. I got this thing totally figured out. So just a little leave on top of this metal plate. And what you want to do is get like one of these big meatballs. Don't press it too hard, just a little. Put it on top and then give a little squeeze. Put another paper on top so it won't stick like that. I forgot one thing. This is the key thing. I forgot it all 3 times. Look. Did you see that? It magically disappeared. And now we're going to let the action happen. Boom. Burger patty pressed and served. Oh, look at that. Look at how even it is. It is mind-blowing. It's like, whoa. Man, I'm so hungry right now. I can eat this burger. Can we eat this burger?
Oh yeah.
Can we start cooking?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, let's start cooking.
But what if you do it by hand?
I do it by hand. All right, I'm gonna try to mimic this burger with my hands, see if I can do it. I already know it's not gonna be perfect, but damn, it's gonna make me look so bad. You'll just be the judge. You'll be the judge of which one looks better. Let's fire up the grill and start cooking. Oh, I'm so happy. If this thing wouldn't have worked, it would have been a $150 mistake. So I'm kind of glad. I think I got away with this purchase. I am blown away by the result. At first I was thinking like, they look like any other burger that you buy at like the butcher. But what happened is that in reality, we got the perfect pressed burger. It was perfectly shaped, it was even all around, it had sharp edges, and the real proof of the advantage of that showed us on the grill. When we placed it on, it had a smooth surface, so it was cooked evenly, it had a beautiful crust on all sides, and it was juicy, and it was just perfection. Well, I thought I made a good handmade hamburger, but my conclusion is that I can't do without this machine anymore. It's a must use. I must use it now because I have the possibility to make it the best I can, and man, does it make a good burger patty. Is it worth $150? Well, it depends how many burgers you're gonna make a year. If you are eating burgers every weekend, oh yeah, buy this thing. It will up your burger game, it will make it even better. If you make burgers like 2 to 3 times a year, skip this thing, don't worry about it. But if you're like me, you'll be proud to have one of these things standing on your grill surface. So, hey, let's test these burgers.
I wouldn't put it on your grill surface.
No, don't put it on your grill surface. I think it looks really nice in the setting. It just fits. I'm just gonna leave it here, like a beautiful picture. I'm gonna make a lot more burgers now.
I am so hungry.
How hungry?
Godschuwelijk hungry.
Google that.
Google it. This is your handmade burger. And it's good and all. The taste is nice, the structure is good. It's just okay.
My handmade burgers are not just okay. How can you comment on my handmade burgers? It hurts my feelings.
When I look at your machine burger, it's a different structure.
Now let's try our machine burgers. Oh, they look fantastic. It's like really impressive.
I think the machine has beaten you.
I didn't expect the burger to actually taste better, you know. Just a little bit, sure, you know, better crust, but in the details. But it makes a lot of difference. It makes a lot of difference.
I think it's too expensive for me. But if you gave it to me, I would be really, really happy.
I just love this machine-made burger. I never thought I would have said that. This machine makes the burger just so much better.
It's a great machine.
I don't really appreciate you talking down on my handmade burgers.
Yeah, but you agree, right?
This is a problem. My feelings are hurt, but you're right. Yeah, I hate it when that happens. I've been making burgers for so long. And now I get to figure out that the machine makes better burger patties than I do.
It's the fault of McDonald's. Maybe they brainwashed our heads. And now we think this is better.
It is like freaking weird. Like, you can buy like a burger press like this, or kind of like these shapes where you press a burger in. But this thing does it absolutely perfect. It's like they put science behind it.
We need to figure out how we can use this machine to get like 500 burgers as quick as we can.
We're gonna make 500 burgers.
Oh yeah.
So if you want one of Morsen's burgers, just comment down below, hey, hashtag Morsen, I want that burger. And you know it's not gonna happen. Just like with the t-shirts.
You better close off.
Where are my t-shirts?
You better close up the
I
video.
wasn't even hungry. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Big thank you to the patrons and the YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling. That's right.